Good evening. Let's see who there is. Hello. Hello. And hello. Good evening. Good evening. Hello, Julia. Hi, Yana. Ilana. Hello. Lovely. I'm just figuring out how to make myself bigger on the screen. And I think that everyone at this point is muted. I think it's probably a better idea because some of you are complaining that too much is happening and too many people are talking at the same time. So on entry, you're... Oh wow, I could hear someone. Somebody really clever has unmuted themselves. Wow. All right.
Yeah, exactly. Hang on. Oh, hold on, guys. Hold on. Hang on. Hang on. Let's go to chat. Hi.
What's going on? Shall I mute you all?
Yes.
I'm muting you all. I'm muting you all. Yes, we will. I'll unmute you for our warm-up, for our first big note together. That has become a tradition, and we will see what happens next. So it's exactly 6 o'clock here in the UK. Oh, and l'chaim, everyone. Good evening. So people are still joining us. And yes, so let's start with our big note together. I'm going to unmute everyone. We're going to sing one note together to hear a messy, messy sound. Here is the note that we usually sing together in the beginning of our session. So let's sit upright, prepare for a beautiful sound. Whether it will be beautiful, I don't know. Let's see. And let's go. Right, thank you very much. You can all sing in tune. That's good news. On that note, I'm going to mute you all. And yes, mute you all. I'm telling you why I'm muting you. Somebody asked yesterday, because if we all sing together, it creates a big, big mess. So what these sessions are, I sing, you sing with me, and this is called Sing With Me. We unfortunately can't hear each other very much. So I'm going to start with singing that beautiful tune to you, and then you'll sing it back to me. No text, no nothing. And I'm sure that some of you, I know that some of you know the song quite well. Here it goes. La, 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 la. La, 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 nice little waltzy melody, isn't it? I'm not showing you the music just yet, because let's try and remember something by ear, okay? So I'll sing a phrase, you sing it back with me. Here is how the first phrase goes. La, 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 la. Okay, I'll allow everyone else to see each other's faces now. Hello to this page. And hello to this wonderful bunch of people here. I'm going back to page 1 now. So here comes the first phrase. La, 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 la. Okay, let's go together. La, 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 la. Good, one more time. La, 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 la. I'll carry on, listen. La, 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 you. we're going to sing these first two phrases together. Hello, hello, hello. More people are joining. Right, nice to see you. Back to the first two phrases. The song was composed in 1945, straight after the war, to give people some feeling of niceness and love and music. And I'll talk about this song in a minute. And hopefully, most of us are here. All right, mute all. Let's go together. 1, 2, 3, 1. La, 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 listen. La, 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 la. Let's sing this phrase. La, 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 la. One more time. La, 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 la. Is that right? So the last phrase has, two endings. The first time round it goes up, the second time round it goes down. It's easy to guess. So the very, very last phrase of this song. Da, 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 da. First time round, let's go. Da, 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 da. Let's repeat the repeated phrases, the third and the fourth lines. La, 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 la. Somebody is showing me to go here. People are talking to each other. It's E to G. Right, okay. I know that you will be correcting me from the file of music that some of you have already printed up and hopefully holding in front of you. You know that you can upload this, you can get this file from my website a few hours before the sessions. Yes, well done, well done. I know this melody slightly differently. I sing it as a slight variation. So as with all of these songs, there will be slight discrepancies between the file of music that I just grab somewhere on the internet, stick into a file and send to you. You can be very precise with what's written, or you can just follow what I'm singing. Freedom for all, okay? We're going back to the very beginning. We're going back to the beginning of the tune, and we'll sing it together without the sheet just yet, okay? Let's go. La, 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 Okay, now I'm going to show you the file. Here we go. Here comes this beautiful text. A wonderful Soviet waltz on the original. Do you all see my screen? Do you see the file? Yeah, excellent. You see the file. See, I'm still learning. I think I'm getting the hang of this now. Now, here is the music we just sang in a slightly different key. We sang it slightly lower, and I know that for some of you it will be a bit too low or a bit too high. We'll sing it in a couple more keys today, okay? We'll go up and up maybe again. Now, let's look at least one verse together. But before we do, let's look at the meaning of this song. It's just a beautiful picture of this guy who plays accordion, or it's Garmon. which is a Russian name for a Russian accordion. And he goes into the field and back into town. He plays his accordion and stops girls from sleeping all night, because obviously he has some kind of longing in his heart. And the text says, why don't you tell us, who are you looking for? Where is that lovely girl whom you're singing for? You know, so why don't you see if she can hear you, and maybe she's not too far, maybe she'll hear you. So everything stopped still again until sunrise. I'm reading this translation that I kind of made up this morning. It's not very poetic, but it may give us an idea. The door won't creak, the fire won't blaze. Only a lonely accordion straying outside somewhere is heard. Now it passes the gate towards the fields. Now it comes back again, as if it is looking for someone in the dark, but cannot find them. The night freshness blows from the field, dance apple blossoms fall. Confess whom you want, say it, young accordion player. Maybe your love is not far away, but doesn't know if she is the one you're waiting for. Why are you straying alone in the whole night? Why do you not let the girls sleep? I guess the boys weren't sleeping either. So we are going to the beginning of this song, and we're going to read through the first verse together. Now, as always, you have an option of just doing la 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 with us and not singing the whole text perfectly in Russian, okay? I'm going to read the line, you read after me. Снова замерло все до рассвета. Right, I hear somebody talking, so let's mute you. I don't know how to do it from here. Mute yourselves, okay? I'm going to say it one more time. Speak with me. 1, 2, 3, 1. Снова замерло все до рассвета. Good. Let's try and sing this line. Goes like this. Listen. Снова замерло все до рассвета. Let's go together. Снова замерло все до рассвета. I have to go back to our chat and make sure that I've muted everyone, okay? Sorry about this. Continue. Yes, we have 66 people with us here today. How fantastic. Katie, you made it. Great. Hello, everyone. Page, whichever page this is. Wonderful. Going back to screen sharing, back to our text, and we are going to read through the second line. Дверь не скрипнет. Lots of r's here, okay? Дверь, дверь. D and V together. Дверь. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. Дверь is the door, не скрипнет won't creak, не вспыхнет, вспыхнет is to kind of burn, огонь is fire, yeah? So, дверь не скрипнет, let's read together in the rhythm of the song. 1, 2, 3, 1. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. All right. I'm going to sing the second line and then we'll sing it together. Дверь не I'm in a different key. Okay, here. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. Let's do it together. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. I'm going to sing the first two lines. If you're ready, sing with me. If you're not ready with the Russian, or if you're a native Russian speaker, choose your options, okay? From the beginning.
So tell me what to do if you want. I'm clicking what to do.
Wait a second. I'm hearing someone. So I'm going to go back to muting you. Please, let's get into the habit of muting everyone, muting yourselves when you join this conversation, okay? When you join this meeting. Now back to sharing. Here we go. Снова замерло. 1, beginning. Снова замерло все до рассвета. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. I'm going to read the third line. Listen. Только слышно на улице где-то. Only it's heard. На улице, somewhere on the street. Где-то is somewhere. Yeah, I'm giving you a rough translation, word to word. Только слышно на улице где-то. Let's go together. 1, 2, 3, 1. Только слышно на улице где-то. Goes like this. Только слышно на улице где-то. Let's go together. Только слышно на улице где-то. And the last line. Одинокая бродит гармонь. Одинокая is lonely. Бродит is walks around, wanders. Гармонь is an accordion, Russian accordion. Одинокая бродит гармонь. Let's say it together. 2, 3, 1. Одинокая бродит гармонь. The song goes like this, the last line. Одинокая бродит гармонь. Sing this line together with me. Одинокая бродит гармонь. Let's sing the last two lines. Только слышно на улице где-то. Одинокая бродит гармонь. That's the last ending. We're going to bring everything together from the first line to the last line. Now, I know that some of you can read Cyrillic, and I could actually send you the file into your chat right now, so you could print it or see it, and then you will have the file for yourselves in any case after this session. So what I want to say as I'm doing this, as I'm giving you the file into the chat, is I want to mention that I'm putting all the videos of every session on my website, on that page where you can see. Did you receive this? I hope I sent it. Yeah. No, it's not. All right, to everyone, everyone. So I'm going to send this file to everyone. So when you go to my page, you can see today's session just an hour after we've done this or so. Have you received the file? Got the file? It's in the chat. You should have it, just so you have it. But I will show it to you. Yeah. So there will also be these files for you to download and to look at a couple of hours usually before our sessions here. So do check my webpage for also for our future meetings, and please share with other people. Now I'm going back to sharing my screen and to sharing the text of the first verse with you. And we're going to bring the whole verse together. Let's go. Снова замерла. Снова замерло все до рассвета. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. Только слышно на улице где-то одинокая бродит гармонь. Только слышно на улице Now, I know that some of you are desperate to sing the whole song in Russian. I know, but most of us don't speak any Russian at all here. I mean, I do, but not everyone here. So I guess we will just stick to this. We will sing this first verse a couple of times together, okay? I'm going up a tone for those who want to sing slightly higher, so it'll be a bit more comfortable for sopranos, although it's a bit too low for tenors. I'm sorry. We have to find common ground. From the beginning together. Снова замерло всё до рассвета. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. Только слышно на улице где-то одинокая бродит гармонь. Только слышно на улице где-то одинокая бродит гармонь. One more time. Снова замерло всё до рассвета. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. Только слышно на улице где-то одинокая бродит гармонь. Только слышно на улице где-то одинокая бродит гармонь. Wonderful. I see your mouths opening. I'm hoping you're enjoying it. Let's see a few more people here. I will switch you on for a couple of minutes, seconds, to see if anyone wants to quickly jump in and say something.
Everybody's drinking wine.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers,
We're all
cheers.
going to be alcoholics at the end of this.
Both have tickets.
Beautiful song.
One gives us a turkey and the other one gives us yes.
Whoa. Okay, yes, okay. Okay, it's a little bit messy.
It's a nitpick.
This is
I'm going to mute you again.
Yeah.
Mute. So, there was something I wanted. Oh yes, people told me not to leave it as a cliffhanger. You know that on my website when I advertised this song, I said that that was the song that when I was entering my music school, I was almost 5 years old. So, how do I make myself seen big? I don't know how to do this. Anyway, I'll go back. Yeah, hope you can all see me. So I wasn't even 5. I was just before 5 years old, and my mother and I were desperate to put me into music school because I loved music, and my brother was playing, my grandfather was playing a Russian accordion, a bayan, a button accordion. My aunt was playing piano, my mother was playing piano a bit, and everyone was playing it around me. My brother could play a guitar with guitar behind his head like this and play with the strings behind him like this. And I was, jealous. And I was quite musical, so my mother thought I was old enough to enter a music school. Now, in Russia, music schools are quite serious. You go to proper lessons, it's like a proper building. You go into proper lessons after your regular school, and you study. And my mother wanted me to play piano because we had a piano at home. So they tested me. I passed my tests perfectly. I could sing the song really well. They liked the song. So I sang it at my exam, but they did not accept me to the music school that time because they said I was too small and my hands were too little to be a piano player. So I had to wait for another 2 years to enter that very music school. So when I was 7, almost 7, I quite successfully went back to the same exam, and I don't remember which song I sang then, but I have an interesting memory with the song that we're learning right now. It's a memory from my childhood, so I thought I'd share it with you. Let's go back to our song again, and I'm going to screen share. Screen share, share. Here we go. So I suggest that we sing it as if we want to do the whole full song. I know that for Russian speakers it'll be a bit boring, but I hope you can enjoy it anyway. We'll do la 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 one time. Actually, we'll hum it as if we're just getting ready for the song, as if the sound is coming from far away from the field. We're just hearing that beautiful accordion playing. Then we will sing our Russian text as our second verse, and then we will sing our, you know what, let's see where it takes us, because we may want it to stretch it into a four-verse song. First verse with text, humming. Second verse with text, singing. Third verse, sorry, no text, text, and la 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 again. Okay, I'll lead you through this. I just want to mute someone else because somebody just joined us. We have 67 people, wonderful. Humming, singing with text, humming again, or la la lying, okay? Ready? Second verse, our first text. Снова замерло всё до рассвета. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. Столько слышно на улице где-то. Одинокая бродит гармонь. Только слышно на улице где-то. Одинокая бродит гармонь. Снова замерло всё до рассвета. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. Только слышно на улице где-то. Одинокая бродит гармонь. Только слышно на улице где-то. Одинокая бродит гармонь. Don't go anywhere. We will sing a little bit again. I just want to see who is still here and to see your faces one more time to show who is here to each other. You can see each other, right? You can see the screen. And you can see different pages when I flip pages, right? So we can see people nodding and some people hiding and some people not having cameras. Hello. Lovely to see. You know, I haven't seen some of you for years. It's wonderful. And there are some new faces, which is fantastic too. I must tell you that people are watching these videos in Australia every time, you know. So I'm going back to page 1. And is there anything else I need to tell you? Running out of time, yes. I need to tell you that every time I'm going to put a new meeting on my website. That's the only one place where I put everything, okay? So it's on my website, a different number for a Zoom meeting every day, different number. So if you refer people to these meetings, please send them my webpage, okay? And let's keep this going. And for those who are paying me, thank you very much. I went shopping today, got myself some food. Thank you, but you don't have to, but it's great. Let's sing it one more time. As usual, I'm going to unmute everyone. And it'll be messy, and we will la 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 through the song one more time.
Yeah, listen to this mess.
Hello.
I'm used to everyone singing the kids.
It'll be quite messy, but let's hear the mess.
Does she need anything else?
Like the Kirby?
I'll see you tomorrow for the Yiddish song, and the day after for a little concert and a little sing-along.
What kind of milk does she use?
Just keep it.
Thank you for joining.
I have 2% reduced low fat.
No, give her 1%. They don't have no one, no.